in my aunt's opinion, seeing these in hand for the first time is just wow. Like, I'm in love. I was in love from the pictures, but just the colorway, the beauty of the colorway is freaking amazing. It's part 5 of the sneaker haul. Y'all already know you locked in. So appreciate y'all for watching, man. We're gonna get straight to it. Slap that like button. I surely do appreciate it, man. Hope y'all having a wonderful day today. Grabbing as we go. So let's see what we got, because I don't know while doing this video. Jordan 4 Valentines. I'm so happy to get these. Shout out to Fine Line 1721. Fine Line 1721. Pick up, go follow him on Instagram at Fine Line 1721. I do cop a lot of sneakers from Fine Line. Definitely when I want to get early pairs and when I want to, if I may miss out, if I can't hit on sneakers out, I'll go check his website, see if he got my size in. Sometimes, most of the time, he sell out even before release. Like, you feel me? Because you can get early pairs. So I did get these early. I didn't have to wait till release date. Now just doing the video. I copped these about 2 weeks before the release. So shout out to him for the early alley hoop. But I'm late according to the video. Like, these came out yesterday. Like, you feel me? Or last week whenever I dropped this video. This reads Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro Pale Ivory Sierra Red. Women's size 13, which is equivalent to a men's size 11 and a half. He's size 11.5, so you know they for him. Like, you feel me? Jordan Flight Box, red box lid, white letters, Jumpman, all that. These sold me just off the package. I wanted these just off the packaging, off the presentation. I thought these were super fire. Do you understand me? So you got your mailing card letter from and to on the back with the kisses and Jordan stamp on the front. Like, these were crazy. The paper with the kissy lips, definitely dope. Y'all seen reviews and all that stuff on this, so I'm not gonna go too crazy on it. So these didn't come double wrapped or nothing like that. And got your Nike tag. Super dope. Yeah, I love these. Got one quality control stamp right there, as you can see. Got a second one right here in gold. If I had an off-white or a sail white hoodie, I definitely would have rocked these, but I can rock them with the white that I got on. Can't wait to style these. I really like how they outlined the lining of the sneaker all the way around the shoe. It's in that Sierra red. That definitely gave it a dope touch. Lace lids, and in red you got your sail inserts, gummy. Like, you feel me? It's a gummy material. You got your white, off-white type of sail background, red and white. You got your red Jumpman, red on the tail in the Jumpman logo. I ain't gonna lie, it would have been dope though to have a Nike Air on there. But, you know, it's cool to see the old school Jumpman, like, you feel me? Because they put Nike Air on everything. But that would have been crazy though to see the Nike Air on the back of these. They went back to the early 2000s, 2005, you feel me? 2010. Like, you feel me, with the Jordan Jumpman on that joint. You got the insides with the kissy faces, Jumpman Jordan in black. Let me see. No, you don't have no stamp or nothing in there. Yeah. You got your Air Jordan upside down on the tongue. Got your kind of puffy tongue, which y'all see that. Y'all see the height on that thing, A1. Sail laces. These look dope with the sail laces too. I think this is a very dope sneaker, man. Got your Sierra red around the midsole, pop-out stars in Sierra red, bottoms in the off-white and Sierra red. Man, these are dope. You even got paper. Look like you got paper on the back. You got paper on the back tab as well. The love hang tag and the heart with the Jordan in the back and through it. Like, super dope. Dope touch. Same shoe paper soles. Cover up over the tongue so it won't fade on there. These are dope. These are freaking dope. Even though I'm late, it's better late than never. Should have been did this review. So I've been working, busy, and everything else. I'm getting mine in now. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. As far as quality, I get these a 10 out of 10. Comfort, 10 out of 10 for me. Price point, was it worth buying early? For me, it was, definitely. And definitely worth it. Go check them out. Fine Line 1721 over there on Instagram. And yeah, like, man. So I did double up on these as well. I did get for retail. I'm happy about that. Yeah, so I'm happy about my purchase. Definitely worth a double up to me. Would I buy these again? Yes, I will. Dope silhouette to put the Valentines on for sure. And I like the red. Like, in hand, these are some beauties. I can't wait to style these, rock these. That Sierra red just is hidden in person. I'm glad they ain't do no normal red. They did a Sierra metallic red. I would like to see that Nike Air on the back of these. I'm just being honest. I just love how the Nike Air look. It's cool that they went back to the old style Jumpman Jordan on the back. That stitched in Nike Air would have been crazy. And Sierra red, that would have been hard. Let me know what y'all think about these in the comments. Let me know if my cop was fire or trash. You paying resale? Was it not worth it? Or what? Tell me y'all thoughts. So let me know down in the comments. This is a 10 out of 10 score for me on my scorecard. Definitely well worth it to put it in your collection, add to your collection of your Jordan 4s. Very slept on sneaker and very dope gift for a Valentine's Day gift. So this is my gift to myself. If you like content like this, continue to follow for more, man. Jordan 4 Valentine.